Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install the foundation bed. Of course, before installing that, you have to install the foundation seal width screed and bend this excess metal, and then you treat it like a window or doors. You have to install a what you call flashing paper, but instead of using a flashing paper, I am using this one that is a sticky on one side. It's like a asphalt, but it's sticky on one side. So I will use this on all of the doors and window. I always use this one. I don't like using the other one, the regular flashing paper. So I'm not putting a flashing paper on the bottom part because it has already metal, but my guy is putting it there. But I'm not, in my case, I'm not using on the bottom. I'm not putting flashing paper on the bottom. So the one on top is side and top is just enough. Okay, the way I do it, I want to wrap around this sticky flashing materials on this around the wood inside. Okay, and then put this in place like that. Make sure it's in the center. Okay, that is the center, that is the center, and put it, okay, that is, make sure put the mark there, and then there. Okay, so just like that. And then just check if it is should be at least level to this bottom part of the whip screed. Now went down. There. Okay. We measure it, we check, and 2.5. 2.5. Okay, it's good. And then stick the one on the top outside. Like that, and okay. Okay, so there, that is the way you install a foundation band if you have a crawl space. This later on we will staple it, because sometimes they come out loose, you know. There. So you treat this one when installing it like windows or doors. You have to put all around flashing paper. Okay, there. Okay, and since this one is a drawing and designed by the architect, you don't have to you know, to guess on how many foundation band you will put. It's already in the drawing there, and all four sides there is a foundation band. This one are in the drawing, and then if you're doing it without the what you call the if they are not in the architectural drawing, that make sure you have a cross ventilation. That means on cross ventilation, that means on both end of the on both sides of the building you have a band there, all around there. See there? It's all like that. And I don't know how to calculate this ventilation, but in my experience, the farthest I install it is 8 feet. Like this one is 8 feet over there, but 8 feet, that because I have a crawl space here that serves as a ventilation. So there, and you know, I put it all around the building there, except this one, these doors I don't put it on the doors there. This is a door and this is a long doors, I don't put there. But I have here, I don't know if the architect or the owner will like, this one is below the window, but I don't want to put it on the shear wall. And one thing to avoid is putting it below the hold down, like this one. This is a hold down. You cannot put an ventilation here because there is a hold down inside. Okay, also here, no, it's in the middle, so you cannot put it here because there's hold down there. Okay, that is how we install a ventilation on a crawl space. Ventilation is very important. So during winter or rainy days, the moist in the crawl space can escape quickly. So you will not have molds on your wood underneath there. Okay, thank you for watching, and please click and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.